Hey there folks, Caleb Downing with SDI, and I'm going to tell you real quick about a little something that I didn't know about until I moved to Alaska in regards to hunting these things. Let's talk about it. So, I've been hunting for a relatively long time. That's, percentage-wise of my life, yes I have. But I'd never heard of gators until I moved to Alaska. And now that I have heard of them, other people need to know about these things, right? I always thought gators were simply just some kind of a random item that certain individuals would wear out in the fields hunting rattlesnakes, right? For snake gators. I didn't realize their practical applications, especially when it comes to hunting, right? What these things are basically a sleeve that goes around your foot, right? There's specific left and right. So here's a left one. It's got a little stirrup kind of thing on the bottom so that you hook that around your shoe. You basically, this one has Velcro. Some of them have zippers. Some of them have laces, but this thing Velcros up like this. This guy here grabs hold of your foot a little bit, or your foot grabs hold of the lace of your shoe. You tighten up the top with this little hoochie pucker. And basically what this is going to do, this doesn't waterproof your foot per se. That's what your boot should do. This keeps debris and stuff from getting down in your boots. It also keeps a relatively good weather seal between your pants and your boots. Those gusty winds that come up when you're sitting out on the side of a field or whatever, and it crawls up your pants and gives you the shivers. If that's never happened to you, you haven't spent enough time out in the field. But that's going to happen at some point. What these things will do is they help mitigate some of that. And also up here in Alaska, these things save your butt when it comes to walking through snow. The first bear hunt I went on up here, I did not have these things. Walking through snow, I'm getting snow and stuff all up in my boots. I did my best to try to keep that from happening. If I had something simple like this, and these are just simple little Amazon gators, you can get crazy with them, but something simple like this would have saved me so much foot pain, headache, cold, hypothermia. Not really, I didn't get hypothermia, but it would have saved you a whole bunch. So gators, they're very, very applicable, and there's something that I didn't know about, and I wish somebody else had told me about them. So now I'm telling you about it. If you're getting out there hunting or spending a whole lot of time out in the outdoors, in the woods and stuff, especially in the winter, looking to get in some gators, it might save your bacon.